What's up, guys? Philip at Trade Genius. All right. Well, I know Bitcoin has been a little boring as far as the price action and volatility has gone, but we have to keep an eye on the important pieces of news that come out. And today, some news hit the headlines that I want to get into in this video. I think it's very bullish. It's going to play a big part in the next bull cycle that we are approaching. So let's check that out in this video.
Trade Genius.
Guys, really quickly, here's an example of another trade that we took. This is a crypto trade, 7.7%, pretty short hold. And there's these opportunities in the crypto market right now. Even though things are macro bear market, there's quite a bit of opportunity in the alts here and there for these nice gains. So just an example of one we took on EBX BTC. If you guys are interested in getting in the room with us, because we not only trade the cryptos, but also binary options, which are killing it, and stocks and ETFs too. So we kind of cover the gamut. Head over to tradelikeagenius.com. All right, guys. So the big news, pension funds. So this is a big key to the next surge of money that comes into this space, right? Again, a lot of the retail action drove the last couple of bubbles. Actually, most of the bubbles that we've seen, the hyper parabolic bubbles that have happened exponentially, and we'll look at that on a chart. I mean, that's all been, for all intents and purposes, retail. Now you're going to start seeing big money start coming into these spaces, and you follow the money because first, U.S. pension funds now taking on crypto investing. Morgan Creek Digital. This is a firm that was taken over by Morgan Creek Capital. Mark Yusko and Anthony Pompliano are partners in this Morgan Creek Digital. So this part of the firm is taking on this venture capital into crypto, and they're diversifying into the crypto space, not only Bitcoin, but other reputable alt projects. But basically what's happened is they've actually got Fairfax County Retirement Systems to go ahead and start putting money to work in their crypto fund. So this is a big deal because this is setting a precedence now, and you're going to see more of this happen. And so you're going to see, the timing of this is, these guys aren't stupid. This is smart money. And so they're timing this entry into the crypto space, at a good time. Now, if you look at the charts, guys, okay, take a look at where we're at. This is a monthly chart going back historically on Bitcoin. These highlighted bubbles are the lows. These are the big lows for the period, marking the lows of that cycle and higher. Currently, we're working on our lows here, low 3100s, and yet to see if that's going to ultimately hold and be the low. We are resting on the 200 weekly moving average. So we're going to see if we get the bounce off of that, or if we get maybe a peekaboo low lower. We have yet to determine that. But notice where we are, though, currently with these pullbacks relative to previous times in Bitcoin's history. And now you're starting to see the fund money come in, the pension fund money come in. Pension funds are a huge deal. I mean, there's trillions of dollars in pension funds. So this, getting into a very finite asset like Bitcoin is a huge deal. So I think this is very bullish, guys, for the next cycle moving up. Something you don't want to ignore. But I thought I'd point it out because sometimes a lot of bullish news has been coming out, but I like to pick on the ones that I think are really going to be impactful. And I think this sets a huge precedence for what's to come. So anyway, hats off to Morgan Creek Digital for making headway into that space, getting those guys exposed to what I think is going to be probably one of the most bullish asset classes that we've ever seen. All right, guys, well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.
Trade Genius.